Unboxing the mystery. Understanding Pandora's box. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language, Pandora's box. This expression has a rich history and a powerful meaning in our everyday language. So, let's explore what it's all about and how you can use it in your conversations. Pandora's box originates from Greek mythology. Pandora, the first woman on Earth, was given a box, or jar, by the gods, which she was instructed not to open. Driven by curiosity, she opened it, releasing all the evils into the world, leaving only hope inside. This story symbolizes the idea that a single action can unleash a multitude of unforeseen problems, troubles, or complications. In modern English, when we say someone has opened Pandora's box, it means they've done something that seems small or insignificant but leads to a lot of complicated problems. It's often used to describe a situation where an action has unintended and potentially harmful consequences. Let's see how to use it in sentences. 1. When the mayor announced the new policy, it was like opening Pandora's box, causing widespread debate and controversy. 2. I didn't realize that asking about her past would open Pandora's box of personal issues. When using Pandora's box, remember, it's typically used in negative contexts. The phrase implies a chain reaction of problems. It's suitable for formal and informal situations. That's a wrap on Pandora's box. Remember, this phrase is a powerful way to describe a simple action leading to complex problems. I hope this video has been enlightening and will help you in your English language journey. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.